बाजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनों री ये किलकारी रे। वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा फनियारी रे। शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे। मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे। झगमग तारे लाई जो जी।
झगमग तारे लाई जो झगमग तारे लाई जो जी। झगमग तारे लाई जो झगमग तारे लाई जो जी।
खुशियाँ बांटूं दिल में सबके साकर मिसरी भर दो जी। हर घूमर रसिया मीठा मीठा गाओ रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
Ma'am to deliver the welcome speech and set the tone for this grand celebration.
Good morning to one and all present here. It gives me great pleasure to extend a warm and respectful welcome to everyone gathered for this special occasion, Children's Day celebration. First and foremost, I extend a heartfelt welcome to our manager, Reverend Father James Thomas, whose vision and guidance continue to inspire and strengthen our school community. We are truly blessed by your presence today. Heartily welcome, Father. I also take this opportunity to warmly welcome our dedicated teachers who nurture young minds with patience, love and wisdom every single day. You are the true architects of our students' success. Hearty welcome, teachers. A cordial welcome to all the parents who constant support and encouragement help our children grow into confident and responsible individuals. And finally, my dearest students, today is your day, a day to celebrate your innocence, your dreams, and your boundless energy. As we commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, we are reminded of his deep affection for children and his belief that they are the real strength and hope of a nation.
Let's hear some thoughts from one of our tiny tots. Please welcome Kartika Lakshmi of grade 2 to deliver a speech on children.
Respected manager, Father James Thomas, esteemed teachers and dear friends. My name is Kartika. Today we gather here to celebrate the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, affectionately known as Chacha Nehru, a leader who valued children's potential and nurtured their growth. As we celebrate this special day, let's also celebrate the joy of learning, the thrill of discovery and beauty of friendship. We are not just students, we are future leaders, innovators and change makers. Let's pledge to dream big and strive for excellence, be kind, empathetic and respectful towards one another, support and encourage each other, embrace challenges and learn from our mistakes. On this Children's Day, let's reaffirm our commitment to learning, growing and making a positive impact on the world around us. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate one of the most joyful occasions of the year, Children's Day, celebrated every year on November 14th. This day marks the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was our country's first Prime Minister. He was not only a great leader and visionary, but also who had immense love and affection for children. That's why we fondly remember him as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Nehru once said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." He believed that a nation's progress depends on how well its children are nurtured and educated. For him, children were not only just young citizens, but the foundation of a brighter and stronger future. Now, if we think about it, Children's Day is not just about chocolates, celebrations or programs. It's a reminder for all of us that the childhood is the most precious gift of life. It's a time of innocence, curiosity and creativity. As high school students, we often get busy with exams, social media and responsibilities. But today is a beautiful reminder to pause, smile, cherish the child inside us. Children's Day also teaches us important values: to dream big, to stay curious and to be kind. In today's world where life moves so fast, it's important to keep the childlike joy alive. The joy that makes us laugh easily, love deeply and learn enthusiastically. On this day, let's also take a moment to thank our parents and teachers, the guiding lights who shape us with care and wisdom. They are the ones who help us just grow like Nehruji envisioned into responsible, confident and compassionate citizens. So friends, let's celebrate this day with energy and gratitude. Let's promise to carry forward the spirit of Children's Day.
Words to remember. Our young dancers are ready to make your heart smile with their joyful moves and innocent energy. Let's welcome the tiny twinkling dancers, Veronica and group on the stage.
चल दे कभी हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दे मैं थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो ये तो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो ये तो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय
Love you जिंदगी
I am studying in 3rd rows. First of all, I wish you a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November. On Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, he was first Prime Minister in India. He was great leader. He loved children very much. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. The teachers and my dear lovely friends. I am here to tell some brightful words on Children's Day. Children's Day is most powerful day for children. Help in all types of things. Every child is a kind of flower. When they become elder, that makes the world as beautiful garden. Child knows all the things, being as a good person. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very deeply and also known as they are the nation's futures. We are the nation's future, so we should make the world very proud. We are the children, knowledge, future. We are now, so next day is the future. We can help everybody in every kind of things, every time, anywhere. So let's promise to the universe that helping in every kind of things. Hey universe, help us in all things. So let's promise them. Let's begin this day with joy and fun, not being sad like rainbow. We are the stars in the sky that makes us feel bright. Thank you.
Children would lovingly call him Chacha Nehru. Look at every face. Every one of you have some dreams. Some of you have to become scientists. Some of you are loving of dancing. Some of you love drawing. Some of you love singing. So, some of you have dreams. So, and reach your goals. Never give up. So, today let's promise to work hard, to be honest and never give up. Thank you, Father, to giving me this opportunity.
ఆకాశం తాకేలా వడగాలై ఈ నేల అందించే ఆహ్వానం ప్రేమంటే ఆరాటం తీరేలా వదిలించే గగనంలా వినిపించే తడిగానం ప్రేమంటే
సార్ ఈ 22 ఎకరాల పొలంలో గ్రానైట్ ఉందని తెలిసింది సార్. ఈ గూడెం ప్రజలు ఖాళీ చేయించగలిగితే రాత్రి కోటీశ్వర్లు అయిపోగలం సార్.
ఒప్పుకుంటే డబ్బులు విసిరి కొట్టండి, ఒప్పుకోకపోతే చావ కొట్టండి. ఐ వాంట్ దట్ మైన్స్. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి, ఈ ప్రదేశంలో ఫ్యాక్టరీ కడతా ఉన్నాం. అందుచేత మీ స్థలాలను మీరు స్వయంగా మాకు అమ్మితే మీకు అధిక రేటు ఇస్తాం.
మీరు అడవులను నాశనం చేయడం వలన ఎంత నష్టమో తెలుసా? మొక్కల్ని చంపేయడం వల్ల మనకు ఆక్సిజన్ లేక అందరం చనిపోతాం సార్. అడవిని కలుషితం చేస్తే మేము ఊరుకోం సార్. చెట్లతో పాటు మమ్మల్ని చంపేయండి అయ్యా. మా సమాధుల మీద మీ ఫ్యాక్టరీలు కట్టుకోండి అయ్యా. మేముండగా ఒక్క చెట్టును కూడా కొట్టనీయం. మన అడవిని మనమే కాపాడుకుందాం. పదండి అందరం.
చూశారుగా, బతకాలంటే ఖాళీ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోండి, లేదు అంటే ఇలా దిక్కుమాలిన చావండి.
కన్నీటితో మార్చేవ్రాను అడవి చెట్లను పావురాళ్లను కలలు మైనా కనగలమా? ఆశను సమాధి చేస్తూ బంధాలను బలి చేస్తూ ప్రాణాలే విడిచి సాగే పయనమిది. కడసారిది వీడ్కోలు కన్నీటితో మార్చేవ్రాను అడవి చెట్లను పావురాళ్లను కలలు పైనా కనగలమా? ఆశను సమాధి చేస్తూ బంధాలను బలి చేస్తూ ప్రాణాలే విడిచి సాగే పయనమిది.
అసలు గాలి లేదు. మనం నిజంగా ఈ మొక్కల్ని చంపేయడం వల్ల ఆక్సిజన్ లేకపోతే అందరూ చచ్చిపోయేలా ఉన్నాం. మళ్ళీ మొక్కల్ని నాటండి అందరూ.
కొన్ని సంవత్సరాల తర్వాత
తనువంతా విరబూసి గాయాలే వరమాలై దరిజేయురాలే నిరుపంటే తను కొలువై ఉండే విలువే ఉంటే అలాంటి మనసుకు తనంత తానే అడగక దొరికే వరమే
అడవులు మానవ జీవనానికి ఎంతో అవసరం. ఆక్సిజన్ ఉత్పత్తి చేస్తాయి, కాలుష్యాన్ని తగ్గిస్తాయి, నీటి వనరులను కాపాడుతాయి, వన్య ప్రాణులకు ఆధారమవుతాయి. మట్టి కోతను తగ్గించే అడవులను, వాతావరణాన్ని నియంత్రించి అడవులను, అనేక వనరులను మనకు అందించే అడవులను, పర్యావరణ సమతుల్యతను మన కోసం కాపాడే అడవులను, భూతాపాన్ని తగ్గించే అడవులను, ఎంతో మందికి ఉపాధినిచ్చే అడవులను కాపాడుకుందాం, మన జీవనాన్ని మరింత మెరుగుపరుచుకుందాం, వచ్చే తరాలకి పర్యావరణాన్ని అందిద్దాం, స్వచ్ఛమైన పర్యావరణాన్ని అందిద్దాం.
Third Lotus to come forward and express her views on this beautiful occasion. Let's cheer for our little orator.
Third Lotus. Respected managers, Deans with honors, teachers and my dear friends. Children's Day celebrated on 14th November in India. It is a birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was India's first Prime Minister. He loved children. Children call him Chacha Nehru. It is a day to show love and care to all the children. Thank you.
बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। रायबरेली में तू बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। अरे बहन के इतना ज़ेवर कहना, तेज हवा से बच के रहना, गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा दे।
What chunga? What chunga? What chunga? What chunga?
Wish you all the great hits of your day. Happy Children's Day. Today you had been listening to few speeches. Total 18 speeches you have today. Yes, only few are over. Because Isaac, it is your day. Students to perform on the stage, especially to avoid stage fear and come courageously and perform on the stage. That's why we have given maximum number of speeches today, so that you may build self-confidence within you. Seeing them, others also should feel that I should be able to come on the stage and speak, is it not? Yes. So they are going to encourage you to come on the stage and speak. And since there are so many speeches, I don't want to prolong my speech, but there are only few things. First one, children, what can you do for the nation? As children, what can you do for the nation? As children, what can you do for your parents? Have you ever thought what can you do for your parents? As children? Okay. What you can do for your parents to fulfill their expectations. What is their expectation from you? That you study well and perform well in the school. That is the only expectation that your parents are having about you. That you study well and perform well in the school. Are you doing that? Can you confidently say that I am doing my maximum to study and to perform well in the school? Can you say? I don't think so. Then your parents should be very happy about your performance. Are they? I don't think so, because I get the experience when they come for the PTM. So, as today's Children's Day, make sure that you are going to make your parents happy. And second thing, to make your parents happy is to respect your parents and obey your parents. Respect your teachers and obey your teachers. This is something that you are going to inculcate in this campus. That you are going to respect your parents and respect your teachers. Obey your parents, obey your teachers, so that you can make your parents happy. Ultimate aim of your existence as children is to make your parents happy and your teachers happy. So today, you pledge that you are going to make your parents happy. Are you going to? So how? By studying to your maximum and performing to your best. Are you ready? Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
All dear my friends, today is 14th November and we are celebrating Children's Day. It is known as the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He very much. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Children's Day celebrating starting from 1957. This day reminds us that the children are the future of the nation. Children's Day is a happy day for children. Thank you.
My name is Ashna Parya. I am from grade 4th Lotus. Today is 14th November and we are celebrating Children's Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru loved children very much. This day reminds us that children are the future of the country. Children's Day is a very happy day for children.
काला जादू कर दिया तेरी अख सोनी, पूरा लंडन हिलदा हिले जो तेरा लक सोनी। ओ मुंडियां नू मारेंगी ना एवें हस सोनिए, केड़ा पिंड शहर तेरा तू मैनू दस सोनिए। ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया, ओ लगदी पंजाब दिया जिस हिसाब ना तक दिया। कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दिया केड़े शहर दिया, ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया। कुड़ी दा पता करो पता करो पता करो। कातिल अदावां तो बचना मैं चाहवां, पर बच भी ना पावां की करां।
दिल्ली दा नखराया स्टाइल मेरा बखराया, इम्प्रेस न करती है मैनू तेरी बात सोनिए। लख कोशिश कर ले पर मैं ना सेट होनी है, तेरे बस दी ना मैं हूँ, तेरे बस दी ना मैं हूँ। तू कर ट्रस्ट सोनिए, और कुछ बाकी कहने को तो चल दस सोनिए।
अखियां ना गोली अखियां ना गोली मार दिया, अंदरों प्यार भी कर दिया। ओ लगदी लाहौर दिया जिस हिसाब ना हस दिया। कुड़ी दा पता करो पता करो पता करो। हाय नी तेरा सूट भी, हाय नी तेरी साड़ी भी, हाय नी तेरा लहंगा तेरी ड्रेस ते तेरा कोका। डिजाइनर 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 डिजाइनर। जेड़ी जेड़ी चीज तू पाले ओदे मुल वध जांदे ने, जेड़े जेड़े शहर तू जावे ओथे लोकी जांदे ने। जेड़ी जेड़ी चीज तू पाले ओदे मुल वध जांदे ने, जेड़े जेड़े शहर तू जावे ओथे लोकी जांदे। हाय नी तेरा रूप नी 12 बोर दी बंदूक नी, तेरा मस्कारा तेरियां हिलां ते आईलाइनर। डिजाइनर 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 डिजाइनर।
बेबी मेरा हार्ट होता है ब्रेक, मेरे गाने छोड़ जब तू सुनती है ड्रेक। जब लेता है डिजाइनर तेरी कमर का माप, सांप लगे मुझे उसका इंची टेप। हर नए दिन नए शॉपिंग का प्लान, कभी दिल्ली कभी बॉम्बे कभी तू मिलान। 2022 की तू जीना तमान, छोड़ भी दिलेगी क्या बच्चे की जान।
डिजाइनर 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 डिजाइनर। नखरा करदा सूट पंजाबी, जुल्फां तेरियां कालियां ने, तेरे नाल जो रहिंदियां है ओ कुड़ियां किस्मत वालियां ने। नखरा करदा सूट पंजाबी, जुल्फां तेरियां कालियां ने, तेरे नाल नाल जो रहिंदियां कुड़ियां किस्मत वालियां। हाय नी तेरा रोब नी लगदा आ पूरा डोप नी, तू पिछे ला ले सारे गबरू ते हाय माइनर। डिजाइनर 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 डिजाइनर।
तू है इंडियन दीवा, मेरी गल सुन दीवा। तू है इंडियन का सेट करा टाइमर बना ले मैनू अपना डिजाइनर 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 यो हनी सिंगर डिजाइनर गुरु 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 डिजाइनर बना ले मैनू अपना डिजाइनर
Do you know मैं तेनू किन्ना प्यार करदा Do you know मैं तेरे उत्ते किन्ना मरदा Do you know तेरे लिए मैं तां पिंड छड्डदा Do you know तेरे लिए लोकां नाल लड़दा Do you know तेरे लिए मुस्टैंग ले लई Do you know मैं तेरा ना लिखाया गुट ते Do you know आ जेड़े तेरे पिछे घूमदे Do you know मैं कल साले सारे कुट ते Do you know मैं तेरी घर गल कर लई Do you know मैं मम्मी मेरे वल कर लई Do you know जदों तू किसे नाल खड़दी Do you know
इसलिए फोन मुझे ऊपर रखना पड़ रहा है तुम पैदल आ जाना बाहू क्योंकि राजरथ मैं लेकर आई हूँ चटप्पा ये सब क्या है
राजमाता रास्ते में दुश्मन के सैनिक थे और ये तो मेरा सेल्फ डिफेंस है राजमाता उन्होंने मुझे पहचाना भी नहीं और देखो आधा किलो चिकू भी पकड़ा दिए
चटप्पा
राजमाता
नायर कहीं के क्या इसीलिए मैंने तुम्हें सेनापति बनाया था
राजमाता आप क्या चाहते हैं कि मैं उनसे लड़ूं और ये परमानेंट करवा दूं राजमाता
तुम्हें उनसे लड़ना चाहिए था चटप्पा
कैसे लड़ता मैं राजमाता कैसे लड़ता हमारे पास शस्त्र अस्त्र नहीं है राजमाता हमारे पास जो भाले हैं वो डंडों के सिर्फ मिट्टी से बनाए हुए हैं उस दिन युद्ध में बरसात हो गई तो सारे डंडे नंगे हो गए दुश्मन ने उस डंडों से जो नगारा सुझाया है हमारा
दर्द समझते हैं चटप्पा
नहीं राजमाता आप नहीं समझ सकते
क्यों
आपने सिर्फ सुना है मैंने तो सहा है इस मेरी भूमि है कि इंडियन टॉयलेट पे बैठता हूँ तो प्रमाण का पिला जाता है
चटप्पा तुम्हारे इस अपमान का बदला मेरा बेटा लेगा बाहू यही है मेरा वादा और वादा ही है मेरा पादा पादा ही है मेरा आदा आदा ही है मेरा वादा
वो नहीं होता है तो रहने देती ना ऐसा लग रहा है राजमाता आधा मादा पादा खेल रही
मेरा बेटा बाहू
क्या कह रहे थे चटपटा बाहू मेरा नाम ठीक से लेना हाँ वही दुपट्टा चटप्पा कहना बाहू चटप्पा कहना ठीक है लटपटा तुम्हारे इस दुस्साहस के लिए अब तुम मेरे बाण सहने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ बाबू अगर विधि का यही विधान है तो मुझे मान्य है ये क्या फालतूगिरी है राजमाता ये क्या फालतूगिरी है
क्या हुआ
अरे दुश्मन सैन्य आएगा तो ये क्या कागज से मारेगा दुश्मन कागज से मरे ना मरे लेकिन
इसमें अंदर जो गाली लिखी उससे पक्का मरेगा भर के देख
मुझे दिखा
राजमाता
आओ
राजमाता
तुम इस हद तक चले गए बाहू
ये तो कुछ भी नहीं राजमाता ये तो कुछ भी नहीं जब ये छोटा था मेरे टकले पे छेद करके काट के सिक्के डालता था उसमें न जाने कहां से निकाल के दिए राजमाता लेकिन इसने आज भी मेरे 5 सिक्के वापस नहीं किए
कहता है मेरी किसी फनी जगह फंसी हुई है।
मामा या तो मेरे सिक्के वापस कर दे या छोड़ दे ये साम्राज्य।
ओके बाय।
क्या प्रस्ताव लेके आए हो?
निम्बड़ा
औरतों को किसे देने वालों के हाथ नहीं काटते हैं, काटते हैं उसका गला काटते हैं।
ए अटपटा, ये नहीं बचेगा। मेरा नाम ठीक से लेना बाहू, बोलना चटप्पा।
ध्यान से देखो, ऊंची से तो नहीं फटा।
तैयार हो जा बाहू।
चटप्पा
भांजे निम्बड़ा, मरने से पहले एक बार भांजे को गले नहीं लगोगे। भांजे
निम्बड़ा Poemra tu biasa peladamra, skuter mda. Kawai kalabra, kastel khamra, Valentine demra. Chalamra.
मुझे मंजूर
Respected manager, Reverend Father James Thomas, dear teachers, parents, and my most precious audience, our shining star, the children. Today, the stage is brighter, the air feels lighter, and every smile seems more beautiful because it's a Children's Day, a celebration of innocence, laughter, and the purest form of joy. Every year on November 14, we remember Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, who had a heart that truly beats for children. He believed that the children will make the India of tomorrow, and how true that is, because each one of you has the hope, dreams, and promise of a better world. Dear students, you are the heartbeat of the school. Without you, our classrooms would be silent, our corridors empty, and our hearts incomplete. It is your laughter that fills our days with joy, your curiosity that makes teaching meaningful, and your energy that inspires us to do more. Every sparkle in your eyes tells a story of wonder. Every question you ask that opens a new door of imagination, and every small act of kindness you show, whether it's sharing your lunch, helping a friend, or smiling through your friends, reminds us what true goodness looks like. Remember, my dear children, you don't need to be perfect to be amazing. You already are. Life will bring many challenges, but never forget you are stronger than you think. Believe in yourself even when no one else does. Be brave enough to stand for what is right, even if you are alone. Be kind, because kindness is a strength the world deeply needs. On this special day, I want you to promise yourself 3 things. Dream big, because no dream is ever too high. Work hard, because efforts always pays off. Stay kind, because hearts remember kindness more than success. Dear children, you are not just the future. You are the light of present, the smile of today, and hope of tomorrow. You are the reason we teachers wakes up with a purpose and pride. So today, laugh louder, smile wider, dance freely, and shine brighter, because this day belongs to you. You are big, you are powerful, you are loved beyond measure. Happy Children's Day to every bright and beautiful soul here. May your life always be filled with love and joy. Thank you and God bless all.
Keep learning and keep shining bright like the stars you are. Once again, we wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Thank you and have a fun-filled day ahead.